I got this as a gift at my baby shower from my Aunt Nisi and Uncle Nay. I had this on my Target registry, and I believe that's where they purchased it from. But yeah, let's go ahead and open. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, so this does come with a Pocket Nutritionist, like a little book, and it just have like different things in it. This is the stuff you should get that's organic. It tells you the high-risk allergy foods, the low-risk allergy foods, and the safest first foods. So from that list, I picked sweet potatoes, bananas, and squash. It just pretty much tell you like what's the benefit and how to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh. So this is a pretty good book. This is like a little food chart for 4 to 6 months, and it's also a feeding schedule that you can go by. So I'm gonna like kind of go with this little feeding schedule. This is what I was planning on doing anyways, so yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, it just tells you, you know, how many servings, 1 banana or 1 cup of peas, you know, all of that, how much it will make. And that's just whenever he gets older. It also comes with a user manual and a cookbook. And I love the cookbook because I know like it can be pretty hard on how to make all this stuff. But we are in stage 1. So yeah, it is a lot of stuff in here, guys. So it's very useful. Let's see what else is in here. This is warranty. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I have to register. All right, and it comes with. All right, so it comes with like this is okay. So this is the thing. I believe that you can put the food in and freeze it. I believe this is it. Yeah. And then let's see. That's just the lid. Okay, so this is how you make the food. This is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm actually not sure what this is. I guess this is just little cups you put it in and you can feed the baby from it, I believe. Let's see. Yeah. So these are little cups you can feed them up from. So cute and little. And it has like a little carrier thing in it, so you can just place them in to keep up with them. All that the baby bullet came with, spatula. This is how you can freeze it, and it's very nice and soft. A big blender, and then this is like a little tiny blender, and then this is the power thing that goes to it. So it's actually made from Magic Bullet. Okay, pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash all these, and I'm gonna just try some foods out.